The Andeman 1000W car subwoofer is designed to deliver exceptional, theater-grade bass with its 10-inch driver and dual-layer voice coil, making it perfect for music lovers and gamers alike. Constructed from cast aluminum, this subwoofer is built for durability and excellent heat dissipation, ensuring long-lasting performance even under demanding conditions. Featuring blue LED lighting that pulses to the beat of the bass, this subwoofer adds a stylish touch to your vehicle's interior without compromising on space. With its built-in high-to-low converter, the Andeman subwoofer offers seamless integration with both factory and aftermarket audio systems, making installation quick and easy. The subwoofer boasts pro-grade bass precision with ultra-low distortion and a customizable bass boost, providing a clear and powerful sound experience. Its compact and slim design allows for discreet under-seat installation, while the robust build ensures reliability and protection with fuse protection and a stable voltage core.